Hey my harmonies, happy new year. I cannot believe it's already 2024. Like it was just 2023 like a few days ago. The time is going by so fast. I hope you guys are having an amazing 2024 so far. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a luxury bag unboxing because you guys know I am clearly obsessed with luxury bags and bags in general. Bags, purses, clutches, whatever you're holding to hold your necessities. It's like a really important accessory to me. So yeah, I cannot get enough with bags. The bag that I'm going to be showing you guys in this video is from Teddy Blake. I did work with them in the past and I did unbox one of their pink bags that I absolutely love still. It's like perfect for the spring and summertime and Valentine's Day. So I'll link that video down below and as a card up here somewhere. If you guys are not familiar with Teddy Blake, it's an online website where they sell luxury bags without the luxury price. You guys know luxury designer bags, they're like really up there, crazy up there. But with Teddy Blake, they're completely different. You can 100% still get that luxury feel to them because their leather is real. Their bags are made in Italy, and with their bags being made in Italy, their bags are also being made in the same factories as high quality luxury bags. But you guys do not have to pay none of those crazy prices with Teddy Blake. They're always having sales on their website up to 60% off. And if you guys want an extra $30 off, you guys can use my code TBSymphony30. The link in the discount code, it will be listed down below. Now we're gonna unbox this Teddy Blake bag that literally reminds me of an Hermes bag. First order from Teddy Blake, this box will come inside of a box, so expect a really big box when you order from them, especially with the size that I picked out. You can definitely store your bag in here to keep it protected, and it also comes with a dust bag. But honestly, if I had enough room in my room, I would keep this box because I really like how it looks and I just like nice boxes, honestly. Designer handbags made in Italy, luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. And the bag comes protected like this. Like they didn't have to do all this, but still, like I really love how they did this. And once you unbox it, it literally smells like leather, and I just love the smell because it just smells like richness, and I just love all that nice bougie luxury stuff. But yeah, this is what the dust bag looks like, how the bag looks, and she is so pretty. Look at how these stand up. I don't have to force them to stand up because they are really sturdy. This feel to it, oh my gosh, Teddy Blake really did it with this one. This is the tag on here. It lets you know the name of the bag as well. This is the Gigi Palmelatto gold in 13 inches. This is how the bag looks side to side, back and front. Underneath it, it doesn't have any feet, unfortunately, because you guys know I love having feet on my bags. It just has the Teddy Blake New York logo right here. The new Gigi handbag encapsulates Teddy Blake's modern classic appeal. Made in Italy from semi-rigid grain cab leather, the semi-structured silhouette is reworked to fit an on-the-go lifestyle. The detachable strap allows it to be styled over the shoulder, and the roomy interior can fit all of your daily essentials and more. Made in Italy, this is Palmelatto leather, semi-rigid grain cab leather with matching trim with a real suede interior, gold toned hardware. The height is 10.6 inches, the width is 5.7, and the length is 13.4. All you have to do is open it from the sides like that by lifting it up. And then this part lifts up as well. And as you can see, the inside of this bag is red. This is the strap that it comes with. This is the type of strap to where this can turn and move. And it says Teddy Blake imprinted on here. I am going to be showing you guys how the bag looks with the strap on, so stay tuned towards the end of the video. This is how it looks on the inside again with nothing inside. It is pretty roomy in here, and as you can see, it does have a zipper that's black and gold. When I do unzip it, it is black inside, which I don't mind. I can fit my whole hand in here. It's really spacious inside the zipper, but I really love how this is red. I do want to mention that when I had got this bag, I received it within like probably less than 5 days or less than a week. It was like really fast shipping with them. And if you want to, you can just close the bag like this and just have these hang out like that. I mean, that can be a look. I noticed like a lot of Hermes bags be having that opened look, and it's still closed at the same time because this is blocking the opening. I do want to attach the strap on here to let you guys know how the strap looks on the bag. But to attach the straps, it does come with an attachment on the sides. It's not that noticeable either, just in case if you don't want to wear the strap. This is how the bag will look. And honestly, I would probably leave the straps on because it gives the bag some more style to it. Yeah, it'll be this tall. If you don't want to get this bag in black, you can get it in pink, yellow, a maroon color, a light brown color, a tan color, red. I was like super close of getting it in red because the red on red and just the red color in general is just so nice. There's a lot of color options with this bag. I just noticed right now that you can unbutton these and then it'll make the bag more spacious, or you can just have it as like a, you know, just for the looks. But that's really nice. You can just easily clip them back on with no issue. Now I'm going to show you guys what can fit in this bag. I think there's going to be a lot of things that can fit in here because it's very spacious. With the Gigi Palmelatto 13-inch bag, I could honestly fit more than just my main necessities in this bag. But I'm going to show you guys how much room is left once I add all my main necessities. You can definitely fit an iPad in here, and I'm so glad I have my keys and my wallet, a little pouch where I put some lotion, some makeup, some beauty necessities in there, my phone of course, some snacks, a portable charger, a planner, a comb or a hair pick. Then lastly, I do have some sunglasses, but as you can see, there is so much space left. I do want to mention with this bag, I've been wearing it literally just like this lately, having it opened and out like this. I noticed that when I wear it like this, it looks way more better in my opinion. And I noticed that with this part right here, it can go in, and I believe it was supposed to be made like that. Definitely looks more Hermes, Birkin inspired because of this style right here, and I like how the hint of red just pops out when I wear it like this. That is it for this review of this Gigi Palmelatto black and red bag with the gold hardware. And let me know if you guys have any questions or concerns about this bag. Use my direct link for the Teddy Blake website and my discount code TBSymphony30 to get an extra $30 off, because who wouldn't want to save any money? So like, comment, and subscribe to join the harmony. We are at 47,000 and we are 3K away for 50. So if you guys love beauty, fashion, lifestyle content, girly content, any content that makes you feel feminine or extra feminine, then you guys would definitely love it over here. And of course, click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload, okay? I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.